Let's draw and color a buffer fish. Let's start drawing, grab your pen. A big round shape, do it again. A happy little puffy face with a smile in just the right place. Hey kids, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings on Kids Knowledge Club. Now we draw the eyes so wide, big and round on either side. A tiny mouth, just a curve, blowing bubbles, watch them swerve. Puffer fish can puff up tight to keep them safe, what a sight. They fill with water, round they grow to scare off predators, don't you know? Next let's add the spiky skin, tiny triangles, let's begin. Not too sharp, just small and neat. Puffer fish look cool and sweet. If you're having fun, hit that subscribe button. More colorful drawings coming your way, only on Kids Knowledge Club. Now we draw the eyes so wide, one round on each way. Now we draw the fins just right, one on each side, not too tight. A little tail that sways around, swimming fast without a sound. Puffers have a special trick, they hold poison super quick. Some are toxic, some just play, but we should watch them far away. Now it's time to color bright, yellow, green, and spots of white. Some have patterns, some have spots. Let's make ours the best of the lot. Like this video if you love drawing. Let's color puffer fish together. Yay! We did it, what a treat. A puffy fish, round and sweet. Now show your art, let's have fun. Drawing fish for everyone. Tweet, tweet, flop, flop, like, share, and subscribe. Kids Knowledge Club.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.